everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a candy corn lollipop for Halloween out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a small ball of white clay, and I'm rolling that into a thick snake. I then have two smaller balls in orange and yellow, and then to stop any colour transferring onto the white clay, I'm mixing the same amount of translucent into each colour. So first with the orange. And then with the yellow as well. I've then gone ahead and pinched off and rolled smaller balls of each colour and rolled them into thin snakes. Then I'm placing them onto the white snake in alternate order. So yellow, orange, then yellow, then orange, just making them evenly spaced. I'm then gently rolling the entire snake longer. Then, because it's a bit long at this stage, I'm cutting it shorter and continuing to roll it thinner. And then rolling the ends a little bit thinner. Then just twisting both ends of the snake in opposite directions until the colours twist as well. Next, I'm curling the snake around in a spiral, sort of like a snail shell. I've then gone ahead and cut a toothpick shorter with my blade. And I'm pushing the pointy end through the bottom of the spiral through to the middle. So now it's time to add the face. So I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in little balls of black. And a tiny little smile. Then for the cheeks, I'm pressing on some small balls of light pink. And then baking everything fully using my package's instructions. And the toothpick won't burn, it's totally fine to put in the oven. Then when it's cooled down completely, I have a thing of some green and white twine, and I've cut off a piece. And I'm just tying that around the toothpick, just under the lollipop. And then just snipping off the excess with some scissors. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!